Okie dokie team, today we have this bad boy to unbox. So this is the new Cardo Freecom 4X. 4X for it can have up to 4 connections is my understanding. Waterproof, live intercom, natural voice, sound by JBL, so it's got JBL speakers built in. Sadly assembled in Ukraine. Yeah, thoughts go out to all those poor people. Cardo has informed local distributor Darbi Accessories that production hasn't been impacted, but there are contingencies in place in case things do turn south. So anyway, let's get on to something happier. Let's unbox this and take a look at what it looks like. So, nice simple box. There we are, here's the unit. So it's a bit different from the Pack Talk Bold that I got. Runs on the app, which is nice. So, still a click-in connection, but we now have a scroll wheel here. Phone button at the rear, intercom button at the top, and play button at the front. That's my understanding yet. I haven't read the instructions yet. This is literally the first time I pulled it out. Oh, that's a lovely change. From the Pack Talk, it now has USB-C charging. So, put that aside. Another Cardo sticker to add to the pile. Should actually stick those on the rally. So, instructions, safety, warranty, yada yada. And all the bits. Okay, so we've got a clip mount. Nice and straightforward, can just clip it onto the helmet. There we go. Nice USB-C charging cable. JBL speakers. And a microphone. Right, well, now we've pulled all these bits out, let's slam it onto my HJC i70. Right, well now we got that installed. Very first impression is I like the size. It's actually smaller than the Pack Talk, which I can grab right now. Yeah, baggy. So that's your size comparison to the Pack Talk Bold. So slightly smaller unit. Scroll wheel down here, kind of like how Senna run theirs on the 50S, which I have the box for, but don't have the unit currently handy. But yeah, so this is a cheaper version to the Pack Talk. It doesn't have as many features, so you don't have the nifty range extending, what is it, an aerial. Both waterproof though. And yeah, first impressions, digging that. I like how Cardo has a very clean integration with your helmet, particularly if you don't use the clip mount. If you go with the adhesive mount, everything just neatly goes in there. So that is it installed. Now it's time to put it on the helmet and have a play with it. So next video, I'll take it out on the rally and I'll put on some music, have a yarn, and we will talk about what the quality is like in terms of speakers, in terms of voice commands, and general how easy it is to use with this new design. So thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.